Hi guys, so today I want to share a one pot recipe with you guys that's quick and easy. We're going to make a one pot Italian wonder pot. Now to start this recipe off, we're going to heat up some olive oil. Next, I'm going to throw in some sliced red bell pepper. This is totally one of those recipes that you can make your own by adding your favorite vegetables. So next I'm going to go ahead and add in some sliced onion. And we'll start to let this soften up a bit. And then I'm going to add in some minced garlic. Now if you want to add in some chicken, you would do it here, but I'm keeping it meatless tonight. So once that's nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add in a can of diced tomatoes with the juice. And then I'm going to throw in some frozen chopped spinach. So next I'm going to start to add my seasonings. I'm going to add some dried basil, dried oregano, a little bit of garlic salt, onion powder, garlic powder, some parsley flakes, a pinch of red pepper flakes, some salt and pepper to taste. Now after that, I'm going to top it off with some chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth if you prefer. I'm going to get everything nice and mixed in. Now I'm going to snap my pasta in half and then I'm going to throw it in the pot. You want to make sure all your ingredients are submerged in the liquid. Now we're going to bring this to a boil on high heat. Once it starts to boil, we're going to cut it down to medium and we're going to let this continue to cook until the pasta is done and most of the liquid has absorbed. And that's it, guys. It's super quick, it's super easy. You could add your favorite ingredients, put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, add some buttered bread. Delicious, you guys. Yum.